I'm hoping it'll be a filling lunch, so she'll only need a snack to make her to the 6 o'clock dinner. Because with the late dinner, we're running into like giving her 4 meals. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to start giving her 4 meals. But the late dinner makes a huge difference, doesn't it? You're taking
Mama! Mama!
Hi!
Don't worry, you're not on the
Is it
camera.
good?
Eliza, where's mommy? That's right, where's daddy? That's right, where's Eliza?
She's eating. Seriously. Choose your moments wisely.
Yeah.
Andy, we bought you guys cheese yesterday too. We bought you brie and we bought you another thing of cheddar.
Oh, I've been eating brie.
Yeah, there's more.
Well, we brought you fresh brie.
Yeah.
I know, it's like you don't know what to do with all the food.
She's got a piece.
We've got to go buy baby frozen carrots.
Is
Yeah.
it good? Yeah.
Where's our juice?
It's over there. It was over somewhere.
I got it.
That maybe dislodged whatever it was.
That's what I'm hoping. That was the idea.
Okay, say bye-bye. Just wanted to get a look, some shots of Eliza eating.